Okay, if I'm using car or laptop or anything I am investing in my company called resources, it can be a room, it can be a building, it can be an employee, it can be anything, a software, it can be a machinery, it can be anything. Anything I invested into that one, it is called resource. And any resource I am implementing in my company, I have to make sure that I am getting return of investment. Return of investment means what?
Return of investment.
Return of investment means what?
Profit.
If you have anyone
Get a profit from that resource.
Yeah, of course. I put an investment, I should get a return of this one. It's called ROI, return of investment.
Return
Okay.
of investment.
That means you are expecting that you are putting some effort on this company and you will get your return back, right?
The form of profit.
No, for you salary. I will not share profit
Okay.
to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir. Okay, sir.
that is your return of investment. But
Salary.
yeah, but my return of investment is your work will be recognized and I will get the revenue from the
Profit.
customers. Though
Profit,
so I will
profit.
make some profit. Okay. So that is return
Okay,
of
sir.
investment. So enterprise plan, ERP means enterprise resource planning, and which means it is no need to be a software. You can do an ERP planning through a software, but it is not a software. Okay, ERP is not a software. ERP is a mechanism where you are making your resources are connected, planned, serially arranged through a software or with some partially software also, because some company they will not use 100% software, they will use some manual system also, but still they have a system. Okay, system in means will ensure that nobody wasting their time, everybody is working there, no work is happening repetitive. Okay, and we are not using people on the place where we have, for example, I will tell you guys, you no need to write program in computer, you write in paper only program, and I will put another person to type your program into the computer, then what will happen in that case? Okay, that is not going to work, that is not a good planning, right? Okay, so and also you are working in programming, so I don't have any measures to understand whether you are working properly time or you are delivering time. So that is a problem for me. If I am doing it in my paper, I cannot reach, because every hour you are going to deliver something. Okay, so it will be very hard job for me. So I need to have a software for that, or a system for that. Okay, so that is what ERP system is all about. Okay, so can you tell me what are the major ERP systems available in the market? Have you heard about any ERP systems?
Yeah.
You never heard about any ERP systems?
Sir, I can read that. I can read, but not remember that name,
Okay,
sir.
you're not remembering the ERP system. Jitan, have you heard about any ERP system?
No, sir. Any names I don't remember.
Bini, what about you?
No, sir, I don't remember that.
No, I'm sure you must have heard. SAP.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I heard.
Yeah.
You heard
I
about
don't.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Okay, I'm sure you heard about this. Oracle,
Oh.
Microsoft Dynamics, Sage.
Sage.
Okay, there are many ERP. So there are so many, because that is our problem. Every day I will pray there should not be any other ERP systems in the company, and RealSoft ERP system. Why I am saying in the last, because they are like giants in the sea. We are like a small, matti in the sea. So it is not good to compare with them. That's what I never told RealSoft us first. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to understand who are your competitors. Okay. And I want you to Google it. Next time when we are sitting, you have to tell me the 10 ERP systems available across the world.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So why I am giving you this exercise is not to make me small, but I'm sure when you are searching Google, then you will go to their page and you will understand what kind of features they are offering, what they're talking about, how they're going to market it with the customers. Then you will start understanding something about that.
Sir.
Okay.
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 Okay, sir.
Because no, if you want to fight with somebody, then we will ask about this. Who is this guy? He's having good muscle and everything, or a bigger person or like that. Then only if you are not doing that exercise, definitely you cannot win him, right? So you have to learn about that one. So you have to
Okay.
understand who are the other ERP. Otherwise, you will be in a foolish world that okay, RealSoft is the only ERP in the world. Okay, and I am the only person working in ERP in the world. Okay, there is a big world outside you. Okay, it's a big competition area. It is like you will be wondered when you are getting to that room and you understand about other companies and everything, and millions of people working in this industry. Not only we three, we four people are working in this industry. Okay, so it is a very big scenario. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just hold. WhatsApp, just I'll tell you. Maybe 160. Okay, sir. WhatsApp.
Okay. So, Priya, what else topics we are planning to go for today?
That's it. General description of what we are going to
Okay,
do.
so we are not getting into any other topics today. I think I also having limited time. I have to go off within 10 minutes. So if you have any questions, you can ask me about the ERP systems, or if you have anything more to add, or you want to explain me any quickly about these topics. Yeah. So for this meeting, we used to know each other, and this group is always available. Any questions you can write on this group, and somebody will answer, hopefully. And Priya will make sure that everybody is communicated, everybody is having enough information. And the outcome of all our sessions will be, you will be making a company in RealSoft, and you will be making a workflow in RealSoft, and you will be entering some data in RealSoft, and you will be demonstrating me what this data and means, and you will analyze these reports, and you will explain me how that things. And this is the outcome of our entire session is going to be. Okay, so slowly we will be getting to that. So when you are listening the session, you have to remember that there will be another day you are going to explain me all this back to me. It is not that you are just hearing these lectures and just forget it. Not like that. Okay. So we will be recording the Zoom session. So we will be sending in this group. So you can hear repeatedly, or because maybe I am very fast while talking. So it may be very difficult for you to catch on the same time. So you can ask me questions, but initially first day, I'm sure you have very less possibility that you will ask me questions. But eventually, this need to be more interactive. But you don't know anything now, so that's why you cannot ask me more questions. But when you're asked and when you're getting more into that, we will have so many healthy discussions, and I think we will get everybody will be get out of something. Okay. So do you have any questions about this one?
I think we can have a task for tomorrow. We can at least find out the differences, the strengths of each of these, at least 2, 3, 5 strengths and weaknesses of each of these autonomous ERPs.
Exactly. Exactly. Okay.
Is that fine? Is that fine with everyone?
Ma'am, I
Sorry, ma'am,
cannot
I
hear,
can't hear.
ma'am. Sound is some breaking.
Priya, your
Sound
voice is
breaking.
Your voice is
moving
breaking.
around. Yeah.
I was.
No.
Is it clear now?
Little
Is it
bit,
clear
Yes,
ma'am.
now?
ma'am. Yes.
Okay. I was suggesting that
No, it's
as tomorrow's task,
Ma'am, one second,
yeah.
ma'am.
I'll tell you.
Cannot hear.
I'll
No,
tell.
ma'am.
I'll tell. Priya, I'll tell. What Priya was proposing tomorrow, we will keep 5 strength and weakness, right, Priya?
Yeah, right.
Strength and
Yes.
weaknesses of ERP systems for next session. When you're coming for next session, you will Google it and find it out.
Okay,
You
sir.
know, millions
ma'am.
of web pages are available, which will explain you what are the benefit you're going to get if you are rightly implementing an ERP system, and what are the issues you're going to face if you are going for an ERP system. So you will just
Okay.
Google it and will find it out. And next session you will be explaining about more into this one,
Okay.
Okay.
right? Okay, so let us
Okay,
start.
sir.
Let us start slowly. Okay, no need to fill too many things topic, because whatever we are going through should be very strong and solid. Okay, rather than going too many sections together, we can go step by step slowly. So because we have to trust each other, we have to understand each other, we have to acknowledge each other, because it is not something. We are not preparing for an examination. Okay, so but this knowledge will help you throughout your life. Even you're going from this company also will help you. Okay,
Okay,
we are
sir.
not talking about something for our company. No, we want to make you understand how the world runs, how this industry is moving on. So what software can do, what cannot do, what kind of issues we are going to face if you don't have software, and if you have software, and how we should be careful, and which area we have to more focus on. Okay, so there are many things. Okay, this is for life, not for a software company or something like that. We are talking about the entire experience we went through, and you need to be careful while you're talking. So let us go slowly. Next session we will be discussing about that. And what would be our next session, Priya? Next session.
Next session, apart from discussing this will be around 5 to 10 minutes. We have to finish this off. Then we will start off with our software, I guess. Or you want to start with accounts?
I think we will talk.
Or SQL?
We have, because before getting into RealSoft, we have to prepare certain background topics. The first one is ERP. So you have to think about ERP for at least for 24 hours, okay, and take some rest and sleep, okay. Then we will talk about some accounts, because we are not going to make you an accounting people, but you have to understand what is accounting all about, and how this company, because if I am coming to you as a patient, okay, sir, I have stomach pain, okay. If you never know how a person is living, and what is this stomach functioning all about, then how you're going to cure me, okay. So you want to understand how these companies are working, and how the companies are maintaining their day-to-day affairs, and how they are maintaining the accounts and everything. In that perception, we have to understand what is accounting all about, okay. If you know what is accounting little bit, and if you know what this person is supposed to do, okay, then I will tell you, Arayar, you are doing this way, you supposed to do like that. That is why you are facing the problem. You can answer the question, right? If you don't know both, what you're going to tell him, okay. So you are the more serious patient than him, so no use, right? So Vinny left from the group, or what happened? Vinny left, I think. I don't know.
Yeah, I think Vinny left.
Yeah. Okay, so we are concluding now. Okay, I think Vinny coming back. Hello, Vinny. What happened? Vinny, what happened to you?
Sorry, sir.
No
Network
problem.
issue, sir.
No problem.
Sorry.
But Gidu telling after getting ERP itself, Vinny scared and run away. That is what Gidu telling now. Okay. So no problem. So just do your homework.
We will start off with accounts tomorrow.
Yeah, we have to start with accounts. We will take this session parallelly. Okay. We will go one side ERP, another side accounts, another side RealSoft, another side SQL. So all these channels will be merged to one level where you will make a company in ERP. We will make a workflow in ERP. We will make some data entry in ERP. We will make some SQL. We will make some reports. We will make some functionality. Then you will present. Beautiful. So this will be the kind of session structure should be. Okay. So at the end you will be making, sir, I am very strong. I know ERP what it is. I know accounting what it is. I know SQL what it is. I know how this application works. This is all about application. So give me a project, sir. You will tell me that. Okay. Then I would be very happy to hear that. Okay. This is the way our sessions will be planning. But during the go, if we find something else to be explained, we will take a deviation. Otherwise, the overall objective will be this. Our objective is when otherwise I will teach your application how to make report general ledger. So you don't know what is general ledger. Then you will say, oh, general ledger. It is like a close-up toothpaste. For you, it will be like a close-up toothpaste and general ledger will be same, right? Because you don't know both how it's happening. So we don't want that to happen. Right? So that is why I have to explain the background. I will make you think this is what, okay. At least you will understand, but very little only you will understand. I'm sure that I cannot expect you will not understand the same way I am pitching up, but you can make use of these recording sessions. It will be very useful because when you are rewind and hear, then you will start understanding many things again and again, because the day when you will understand very little only, I can understand that. But no problem for that. Because it's not the first time I'm doing this job, so I know this is because I see more better people than ever happened. So you're much better than everybody. So no problem for that.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, of course I am not because you're brilliant team actually. It is very easy to communicate. Okay, because at least you are interacting. Some people will be dumb like that, so it is very hard to deal that kind of people. But you people are very active. So I think we will reach up to this level very soon. I don't think because we all know little bit of SQL, we all know little bit of ERP. I just want to shape it. Okay. So when you are talking, it will be shaped properly. That's it. I don't want to teach you anything because so we will go very fast. So, but we have to work hard because this is the time you can peacefully work hard. But as and when you are getting into a job, you cannot think like that. So you will be because somebody will ask you, Gidu, where is my job? Jitan, give me deliver. No, not delivered. Come on here, like that. So you don't have even time to think. Okay. So this time you go peacefully, enjoy, and work hard, and present it, and try to present it as much as possible in this session. And we will be hearing your studies and explanations, and we will be understanding maybe more good things, because this will be one reason for you to go Google and research. Otherwise you will never you will be Googling Amazon, I will get a mobile phone lesser price maximum, right? You will never think about the ERP. What is the benefit of disadvantage of ERP in your Google? I don't think so. Okay, or you will put a Swiggy. Okay, we will get a charcoal on offer price today. That is the maximum you're going to search, right? So this sessions will be a reason for you to search for this kind of things. Okay, so initially you will feel that it's a weird, but eventually you will enjoy that. Okay. Okay, thank you guys coming on board. So let us start a great sessions. Okay, so I'm sure we will be setting up our goals, and we will maybe a couple of people also will be joined with us very soon. So thank you so much for it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'll be
Thank you, sir.
sending you the video records on your group, so you can get it downloaded and you can hear it if you feel it's interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
All the best.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.